Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this lecture, which should be very short, we're not exactly going to take a break from the genitive because we're going to keep using the genitive and we're going to keep using quantities, but now we're going to actually use them in a real-world situation, and we're going to talk about comparing ages. When we want to compare people's ages, we're going to use this formula where we say something like Sasha моложе Маши на 5 лет. So the word for younger is моложе or mladsha, and the word for older is starsha. And we're going to have the first person's name in the nominative, so Sasha, and then we have older or younger, so моложе, for example, and then the person being compared to in the genitive, so Маши, and then na, and then the number of years. So Sasha моложе Маши на 5 лет. Sasha is younger than Masha by 5 years. Masha старше Саши на 5 лет. Masha is older than Sasha by 5 years. Моложе younger, старше older, and then instead of saying than, we use the genitive. So Sasha моложе Маши, the genitive instead of than, and then на 5 лет. That's all there is to it.